Hello, my name is Ben Polk, Division President with America's Home Place. Today I'm going to talk about things that you need to do to prepare yourself for your color selection. My suggestion is to find some things that you like, whether online or in some magazines, and match it up as best you can with the color furniture that you have or want to have in your new home. Each of our offices have people and have a bank of pictures of homes that we've built that can help you get the look that you want and match them with whatever you like that you find on your own. That would be the first thing. The second thing is to kind of begin with the end in mind and figure out what you want in your home and how the feel that you want to have, because that has a big impact on the colors that you select. My name is Ben Polk, Division President with America's Home Place.